Hi and welcome to this demonstration of Gigasheet, where I will show you in a few simple steps how to quickly identify a Trickbot malware infection on your network in just a few clicks. We will start with uploading our PCAP file to Gigasheet. Now the file has been uploaded to Gigasheet, and on this view you can see some metadata about the file, like file name, number of rows, file size. Let's open up the file so we can do some analysis. The first column contains Unix timestamp values that do make sense to computers, but not so much for humans. So let's apply the cleanup Unix time function to convert these to a nicer format. Now we have a nicely formatted timestamp field and other interesting fields for our analysis. When a computer has been infected with Trickbot, it usually sends an HTTP post request on port 8082, exfiltrating data from that host. The URL often ends with /90, and therefore we can use that as a filter in Gigasheet. Let's open up the filter panel and add a new filter where info contains /90. For instance, we can see the host name of the infected host. We can also see the username, and we can also see host name and username of other infected users. We can also find out if any password data has been exfiltrated. Trickbot is sending this data on a URL ending with /81, so let's apply that as a filter. Here we can see that the POP3 email connection string has been sent out, including the user password. So, as you can see, in just a few simple steps, we were able to identify that our network actually was infected by the Trickbot malware. We could find out who was the patient 0, what was his hostname, username, and IP address. We could also find out if there were other users infected and also what password data had been exfiltrated.